Hi and welcome to Learn Python by Doing. So, what you will learn in this course? How to use built-in functionalities that are sometimes ignored but should be used in order to become a better Python developer. See how some things work internally in Python, implement some best practices, and some unit testing. More specifically, we're going to learn how to properly use functions like zip, map, filter, sort, zip longest, reduce, accumulate, enumerate, etc. Learn how to implement iterators and generators. Learn how to implement your own decorators with Python closures, and learn about some built-in decorators like property, class method, static method, etc. Learn about sets and why are they faster for searching than lists, best practices to manage your environment in your project, unit testing with PyTest. But this course is intended to change dynamically, so you can ask for more content. Just join the Discord server of Math as a Second Language that I am going to provide here in the course description, where you can chat with me and ask me for something new that you would like to be added to this course. So that's everything. I hope you enjoy as much as I enjoy doing this course. See you in the next video.